You're watching an Involve Me tutorial on the OTP email verification feature. This is a powerful tool that ensures the quality of your leads generated through the contact form element. Essentially, by requiring participants to verify their email addresses, you can be much more confident that the email address provided is valid and accessible. Therefore, you can drive higher conversions through your interactive lead funnels. So let's hop into a project and see how this feature works. So this is a project which you can find in our template gallery, and it is an interactive funnel where users answer a couple of questions and then they get a quote for solar panels at the very end. So first, let me actually show you how to set up this feature on your end, and then I'll also demonstrate how the feature works in practice for your audience on their end. So for this feature to work, you'll of course need to start with a contact form element. In case you don't know where to find it, on the right-hand side inside of your elements, under contact info, you can find the contact form element. And then you simply drag it and drop it into your project. Next, you can click on the element and on the right side find the OTP email verification toggle. So in this form, we're collecting lead data, and it is important for me that I gather quality leads so that I can make them personalized offers at the very end. With the OTP verification enabled, every email I get from my interactive lead funnel will be a valid one. And this helps with generating verified leads for my or for your business. You can also test this feature in draft mode without publishing the project, and we'll actually do that now so that you can get an idea of how it works. So we're going to test the project, and then I will really quickly click through the project. And here I come to the contact form element. So I'm going to fill in my details. And as you can see, as soon as I input my email address, an exclamation mark appears here. So let me see what it says. Please verify your email. And here is the email I'm verifying, that's the one I entered in, and then I need to click send code. Once I've done that, I'm taken to the next screen where I need to insert my 4-digit code which I get in my email. And just so you see how it looks like, I can either click the button below or enter this code that I have in my email. So I'm going to take this code and put it here. And you can see that a check mark appears next to my email and my email has been verified. So in case your participant needs to change their email, they can simply do that by clicking again on the check mark and then simply clicking on change email. Here they can enter a new email address and send the code again. And I will agree to the terms and conditions, click on submit, and it's going to thank you for my submission, and I have successfully completed the interactive lead funnel. And then after your participant has verified their email address and completed the interactive lead funnel, they would, for example, get an email like this one. You can set up custom emails like these within Involve Me. There will be a link in the description for the help article on how to do this, which also contains a video in case you prefer to work with those instead. So we just tested the project in draft mode, and you can do this on any plan you are currently on. If you decide to publish the project, you can still test the premium feature, but your project will be limited to 10 submissions. And of course, you can lift this restriction by upgrading. And just like that, you know how the OTP email verification feature works. For more support, you can go to help.involve.me or contact our support team directly. And good luck getting involved!